welcome to Petrolheads London, and not the usual sort of hurricane I would like to put on my channel. I'm here in Mauritius, and actually there's a hurricane on its way in, so I did put a vote out on Twitter and everybody said vlog it. So here I am. This is literally the calm before the storm. It is due to arrive here in about 12 hours time, so let's go and have a look around, see what preparations have been done and see if we managed to miss it. Preparation, all of these plants, this is the main lobby, have been taken out of all of these pots. It's pretty desolate in here, and then they've tied up this chandelier to stop it swinging around, and the sea is just over here. So you'll notice some of these trees, you can see that just here, are tied up to stop them falling down into the pool area. And we'll go down and have a look, and at the main restaurant down here they've actually boarded up all the windows. So all the windows are all boarded up, although there are some people still trying to enjoy the pool. And all the chairs piled up waiting for the storm. As you can see, they've boarded the windows. This faces right onto the main sea. Strapped everything up against those trees over there. I think that's all of the sun loungers and beds, and all the trees are all strapped up as well. So it's yeah, a pretty intense time, although there has been some signs of weakening, so we'll see what happens. So the storm has arrived. It's not as bad as we thought. It's obviously very wet out here, and the wind's picking up, and the lens keeps steaming over, which is a bit of a problem for me. Anyway, I'll try and capture some more of this in a bit when it's not so steamy here. The seas have picked up. It was about 10 kilometres off this coast earlier. Definitely you can see the effects of it, but nowhere near as bad as they expected. I mean, you can definitely see the seas are a lot rougher. So this is the last of my instalments about hurricane, typhoon, cyclone, Begita. We've been quite lucky because we're in big concrete buildings, so we're protected from it all, but actually a lot of people who've been here are actually having to evacuate to community centres and more solid buildings, so we're really appreciative of the help in keeping us safe here. But as you can probably hear and see, the wind has really picked up, especially compared to where it's been before it passed. It actually passed this point here on the east coast about 3 or 4 hours ago, and we're getting more of a tailwind than we had before, but we've dodged a bit of a bullet because actually it was supposed to pass directly over the island, and it hasn't. It passed about 10 kilometres away off this coast. So there's not really been a lot to show, so we've kind of been staying indoors and keeping away from everything. But yes, there's a few people venturing out now, but it's I think the island's kind of dodged a bit of a bullet, and we're quite lucky. There's been no flights in and out, the airport's been closed. Hopefully this will pass in the next day, and we can get some sunshine. I hope you found this a slightly unusual vlog, but I did do a poll on Twitter and everyone said vlog it, so I thought I'd give you a bit of an insight. We'll kind of wander around, you'll have a look at some of the effects of the wind here, but no major damage, which is great, and the guys running here seem to think that most of it's over. So remains to say thank you for watching this little adventure. So as you can see, normal service has resumed. The pictures are back on the wall. They had to take these all down because this bar area is totally open to the elements. All of the lights have, I don't know if you can see them over here, but have glass shades around them, so they've removed all those. The only thing that's to go back up is just the blades on the fans. I don't know if you can see those. They've removed all of those for safety. So yes, I mean, a pretty close escape. Said it passed 10 kilometres off the coast, and you know, glad that everybody's safe and sound. So thank you once again for watching Petrolheads London. Please remember to like and subscribe. Cheers.